Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today I'm doing a Foundation Friday on Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. Stay tuned if you want to see it. Okay, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Welcome back if you've been here before. I am not a makeup artist. Look at me. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just me. I like makeup. I have rosacea, sensitive skin, so I'm always testing for these things, cover rosacea. I'm over 40, so I've got wrinkles and all kinds of problems. So if this interests you, stay with me and let's get right to it. Okay, Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This has been around forever, and I think I used it 20 freaking years ago. That's how old I am. I think in my 20s I used this foundation. I'm not sure it was exactly the same. I know it was a double wear. So it was time for me to try it out again. So I did. And I went and I cheated and I got a tiny little sample. And I hate when people do that. And I'm guilty of it. I just got a sample because I was like, I am sick of spending money on things that don't work out. It was $42, or it would have been $42. And I just got a 10-day sample. Okay? And now let's get to... I'm trying to decide, do you want to hear my final thoughts or do you want to see the footage? I'm trying to decide, like, when I watch a video, I want to hear your final thoughts. And then you can watch the footage if you want to see it, okay? My final thoughts before the video is I really like this foundation. I don't know what I was doing for so many years without it in my closet or my drawer or my makeup bag. It covers my rosacea. It has a good lasting power, about 10 hours for me. It doesn't break me out. You'll see I kind of thought it was going to, but it didn't. It doesn't make my rosacea worse, and it covers it. And so it was a really good foundation for me. I will be purchasing it soon because I found myself reaching for that every time over everything else. Oh! Fast and easy to use. I just put it on and I looked good. Well, not so much. You do have to make sure you blend it in well and don't get it too patchy. All right. I took this tiny little sample. It was about supposedly a 10-day sample, and I got at least 10 days use out of it. I cut it down and showed you 3 days of footage. So let's cut to the footage now. All right, so I got a little sample. Pebble is the color for me. I think it's like 3N, I don't know. It's cool. And we're gonna try it.
Alright. I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your
Okay, like in the first second, I'm telling you, like, I don't think I'll ever use another foundation. That is like a perfect match. Like, I'm in love with it. I haven't even finished.
You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you, but don't wanna be weird. It's such a rush, I'm thinking, wish you were here. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, But I could be a crush, I could throw you for a...
Alright, I'm gonna finish my makeup and go outside on a rainy day and snap some pictures of testing Estee Lauder with very little put on and the primer.
Making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be...
Hey, okay, this is day 2 of wearing Estee Lauder Stay in Place Foundation, and I am moisturized and sunscreen, and I'm going to use Limelight Primer, and I'm going to apply this with a brush, and I'll get right back to you. Last day was a complete wash. I got stuck in a torrential downpour and like wiped my face and had to blot it. It was just horrible so many times. I probably should have shown footage of it, but I didn't. So it's raining today, so we will see. Maybe I'll have to do it again, and I will get footage this time, I promise, or I'm just going to delete this and start all over again. Okay, here's my final look. So it is a rainy, cloudy, shitty fucking day. And I'm gonna go out and doctor's appointments and craziness and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is about a 10-hour check-in. I had a cavity filled. I did a bunch of errands and it was raining. I'd say that it looks, I mean, all in all, it looks pretty good. You see some more like the dots on my cheek here, but it didn't crack or break apart, but it's pretty much rubbed all off here. I think it's more splotchy redness on my forehead. Obviously my eye makeup did not last at all. But I feel like really for the most part that the foundation is still intact after 10 hours. I think it's supposed to be like a 16-hour wear, so you know, it's really kind of going strong. Okay, day 3. I applied it with my fingers today because it's so hard getting it out of the little container. And then in the end, I didn't like that. And I don't know if I'm more red than I was, and I don't know if this is causing me breakout. I have some pimples struggling to come through here. And I'm a little bit more red because I had to like go over my cheeks, this time with a brush, kind of builds it to a little more full coverage on my cheeks. And that's it. So we're gonna go outside. This is me inside, day 3. No pore primer and no powder. I used powder yesterday. Just a powder on my concealer. And that's it. We're gonna go see what I look like outside. All right, let's go.
Crash, 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 crash. Sorry. I fill my calendar with stuff I can do. Maybe if I'm busy, it could keep me from you. And I'm pretending you ain't been on my mind, but I took an interest in the things that you like. And I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now,
Okay, so I think it is 13 hours. And I think I laid it on really thick today. And, oh, I had a glass of wine. And I'm a little red. And I'm really splotchy. And it's still kind of cakey here. The red came through. But it's still cakey. I wouldn't say, for me, I don't get 13 hours out of this. Okay, so this is day 4. I have sunscreen, no pore on, and a little tiny bit of setting powder under here and on my face. I try to be really light with the foundation today, like super light. Focusing mostly on the areas that I need it, here and here, and my chin, and then kind of just buffing the slightest amount in because I don't want to be chalky and cakey like I did when I smeared it on my hands yesterday. So let's go outside, see what it looks like.
But I could be a crush, like feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking that you touched.
Okay, hey, so this is like an 8-hour check-in, 8-ish hours, maybe a little over 8 hours. Anyway, I am really liking how this looks. See, I'm very red here and it's still maintaining pretty good coverage. I mean, you're seeing some red here, and like I said, I washed my hair, so there's definitely more red up here. But I am really liking this. So like light, just lightly addressing the areas of concern and then buffing it across my face. Really was a night, worked really well for me, and I'm really happy. Okay, that's it. My final thoughts are, I love this foundation. I will be buying it. Pebble was a perfect color for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Nellie Mills. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.